Hello, I'm Angel Colau. I'm CEO and co-founder of Aritium, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the kind of solutions that we are building leveraging our platform, or the Aritium platform. So at this moment, we are mainly focused on the idea of creating solutions for the smart hospital. We are trying to build the hospital of the future. So as you can see, we already have developed 6 solutions around this idea. So I'm going to show you a little bit the kind of things that we can do. For example, we have a solution indoor air quality monitoring, IAQ control. You can access the different hospitals. For example, imagine that you are a manager of a group of hospitals and you can access different facilities. There are like these kind of dashboards where you can see the environmental conditions both outside or inside of the building. Then you can access to the alarms. You can see the status of the sensors, the gateways. You can access to the different floors, seeing what is the variables that are being measured at this moment for the different devices, global indicators for the floor, and then going into the more details or to share information for a specific sensor, like for example, in this case, the emergency one. You have also some graphics, and then we can also access to a more detailed graphics where we can see the evolution depending on the different hours. No? Then we have also their solution focus on monitoring temperature in refrigerators and critical areas. It's what we call cold control. Once again, the access is the same. You can have the status of the gateways, the sensors, and then you can access the different devices that can be deployed around the hospital. No? For example, in this case, you can see the temperature. You can see if there is any activated alarm for the different sensors. You can have a general status, temperature, and thresholds. You can adjust what are the thresholds, the alarms that you want to launch, some graphics, well, all the information that you could have. No? Also, we have other solution that we call assets control. This based on the geolocation and control of mobile assets within the hospital. So once again, same access, and once again, we apply the same approach. No? You can navigate for the different areas and go into a more detailed view. And you can see a specific asset, what are the locations where it has been in the last hours, and you can also access more detailed dashboards where you can see what are being the main locations for the asset during a specific period of time. We have other solution that is called task control that we use to automate or optimize task management using wireless keypads. Same access, you can have a view of the different tasks during the last 24 hours, the status of the sensors, what is the timing, the mean time for the different tasks. You can access to a specific area to see exactly what is the status, and so on. No? So you have all the details, but in this case, it's a solution that is more more valuable from the point of view of generating notifications and alerts to automate all this process. No? We have also senior control, that is a solution oriented to geolocate residents in elderly care centers. It's very similar to our assets control, so you can see the location of the residents, and to have a detailed traceability of where they have been, and once again to generate similar dashboards. And at the end, we have vitals control, that is a solution that we are developing, leveraging also a wearable sensor, always based on LoRaWAN. And in this case, you can have vital signs of the patients. You can have all the, well, we are talking here always about room ID because we are not storing clinical data. This is a solution that is integrated with the hospital information system, where is all the patient data, let's say. But once again, you can access to the different levels within the solution until you get to the patient. In this case, the patient that is referenced as an ID of the room, and from here you can directly access to the EMR. This is a little bit what we have here in this demo. We have also a detailed presentation for each of the solutions, and I hope that it is interesting for you and how to show you more new solutions in the future.